I just move the assignment over here. So this is the assignment. I presume you read all of this. So,
yeah.
And part 0, experiment with the XML API. I don't know if you had to play around with that.
Yep.
The first thing we need to do is to assign the key in the initialize before the start of the assignment.
Right.
So go to so in the initialize, you need to set the key to that value,
Right.
which was
if you want, it's 38B99.
38 B99 CE 9 BC 87. Okay, that's the first bit. The next thing is.
Oh no, now I'm in here twice.
Sorry?
Yeah. Well, if you go back to Google Hangouts and log into us, and but anyways.
Anyway, I think we can go on to part 1.
Right.
So before even attempting to find connections on Oracle or Bacon, object must have at least one of, from, or to specified. If one is missing, it's assumed to be Kevin Bacon, and a non-blank API key, although we won't be able to tell if it's valid until we try hitting the service. We use the active model validations module as part of Rails to streamline our validity checks. It is a module that mixes in validity checking methods for object attributes and gives our object an instant method, valid. It checks all the constraints and returns true or false. We've included validity checks for the presence of non-blank, from, to, and API key attributes in our Oracle or Bacon instance. So in the root directory, look for tests in spec and for your code in lib Oracle or Bacon RB. So the first thing is, leave this aside now. So the first thing to do is to delete pending equals true from the describe instance block.
Right.
So that would be that there.
And
then we should be able to run the RSpec.
Right. Although in my experience, it won't run just that one test. Maybe I was doing something wrong.
It'll run.
Right, it'll run everything.
Everything within that describe block. Nice. Oh, our terminal windows sort of.
Yeah, I think that must be Tatiana because mine is I have the same issue. You could try kicking her out of the collaborative and then inviting her back in if she makes it back into the. I don't know. It's up to you. How do you want?
Let's see here. Oh, read only. I've got her as read only. Oh, read write now.
Oh, she just sent a chat message. Hold on, I'll get that link for her. Figure out how to. Then when she gets back in the chat, we can ask her to make the window a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Do a single layer. Yeah, I don't know how to.
Well, you mean as far as resizing it? It's just constricted to however big she's got her terminal.
I see.
Or whoever had the smallest terminal.
I'm just going to make it a bit small, a bit difficult to see.
Yeah. Okay.
When we run it. Run the first one. Oh, that's better. Now the only trouble is
about kind of long. Okay, did you?
Oh, hello, Tatiana. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So maybe we should start with changing file in library. We should change this file and we should submit this file, which I did, but I can help something. So we should go to your
Can you share your screen, Tatiana?
Yeah. It's internet. I'm waiting. It's not so quickly. So. Did you see something? Yes, I don't see.
No, I don't. So now
Did you
see it.
see?
Yeah.
Yes.
I can see it. Okay, his screen is that.
It's actually.
No, that's not your screen. You need to share your screen.
No, I wanna share my screen. Okay, I wanna. We're supposed to start with scratch. So I just give you a screen with scratch. Maybe we would be able. Now we can see something. So this one, did you see?
No.
Yeah. The share screen button for the Google Hangout is the green button with an arrow on the left side of the screen. And we just need to make sure everybody's sharing the screen so the video that's made will, whenever you talk, it'll show your screen. That way the video will be consistent.
But actually, we are not necessarily share screen. We can work for somebody environment. For example, we can work in Paul requirement and do change with his code. It's much more quickly. So can we go to in your environment and we do code or somebody in my environment? We not necessarily should complete work. We should just show that we do some coding exercise. Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, look, I've shared my environment.
Yes. It's your environment right now, yes, in front of me. Okay, so first of all, it's very unclear, but we should go to file directory, we go to should library and find file, and we should kind of change this file.
Yeah.
Go to library, where it's not so clear. I see your.
Yes, it's the Oracle Bacon RB. That's the wrapper library module that they're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
And
I find
so we need to go in. That creates.
So we should go to library, and we should go to library, and we should change this file. But before we should do this file, we should change this file and
the aspect file.
Yes, exactly. Yes, we should
so
do
that,
this file.
So I've done that. I've removed the pending equals true, so that block of aspects test cases will execute.
Yes.
So the first thing we need to do then is define the constructor for Oracle Bacon so that both the from and the to initially default to Kevin Bacon rather than being blank. So we need to set a default parameter here.
So you already did something. You do already. You start to do from to, and you add some theme. Okay. So now I just put something in this.
Kevin Bacon and 2 equals Kevin Bacon. Now, did you want to change over now?
Yes, would be like change right now. It's right. We need the work on this file.
I'll just save that, or maybe run the
Perspect, perspect, yes. Control. Okay, what's about your question right now? You have some error. So error need be fixed. This file should be fixed.
yeah.
You should go to library, and you already in library, and we should work on this file. And should be to do. We should follow instruction. Instruction where to do. I can see right now. Can you point out what we should like this first file? This is nothing. I didn't see nothing, but this I start to see. Find connection. This one. Yeah. First of all, so we should do this. Here you can see this mic. This is everything nice, and protocol. Protocol create with error mean.
Yeah.
So now we should put something. What's your suggestion? I think that after this we should raise error. Yes.
Yeah.
And this we should do some. What we should raise? Protocol role raise oracle of bacon something.
Yeah.
Something. I can just say this. Bacon, and it should be network error. I think so. It should be network error.
Yeah. Response. So, are you making changes now, Tatiana?
Oh, we lost her again.
Lost her. Oh, did you want to do the next one then, David?
Sure. Okay, so we got to make sure that from and to are not equal to each other.
Yeah.
So, all right, we'll do that in the provided method there. And it seems like they're suggesting I should use a validation to do that. So validate that I'm guessing that it's something along the lines of from is not equal to, but I don't know how that's gonna. Well, I'll just go ahead and try that and then see what happens. That's not. Are you seeing that?
Yep.
Not sure what happened there, but it's, I guess it was the validations. Okay. Oh, there's a validation right there for that.
Well, yeah, that executes that method from the to.
Oh yeah, right.
They actually have to
Okay,
put the
okay.
body in the from and the to now.
Okay, okay.
No, that'd just be an if statement. You know, if
Right.
from is equal to to.
So can I continue to use the use it as a
But then,
symbol like that?
yeah, you use the instance variable, so the @ symbol.
Sorry, I'm a little cold. Just coming off the long break between these classes.
And if that's true, then we need to add the message to errors.
Right.
It'll be add. Adds the method.
And then I guess can I just pass this through?
Yeah. So then you want the colon from and to, comma to, comma colon to.
Mm-hmm.
and then comma the message. The message is equal, message colon.
Like
and then the message string, which will be from cannot be the same as to.
okay.
Now I think we missed something here in the constructor.
Okay. You mean as far as the syntax?
Yeah. We need to set the instance variables. Getting a message from Tatiana here. I shared it. What's her email?
She's back in, but her mic is muted.
Yeah, we need to set the instance variables for API key and the from and the to.
In the initialize?
Yeah.
In the initials?
No. Well, these are just the defaults if they don't provide them.
Right.
But if they do provide them,
then
we need to set them.
And we're going to pull those from the parameters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we don't need to say params API key to set this?
No. No, that's just standard Ruby. Might be ready to run again. Run the run the RSpec again.
Mm-hmm. All right. So
you and David are working.
I've got a syntax error.
Mm-hmm.
Mismatched. You need an end statement in there with the if.
All right, so I can't scroll up to see what behavior I got.
Yeah, I don't know how to. You should not be running.
Did that close the terminal for you? Do you know how to reopen a shared terminal?
Just press the plus symbol next to the last tag.
Okay. Do you see the new terminal, or you still see the one that you had before?
See this one that's been exited. Yeah, that's back now. I just need to go back into the homework. Okay, we're there again. I just need us.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, you go ahead.
So I got some another screen. I don't know what screen I got, but it's not really your screen.
No.
Can I go on your screen or it's impossible? I get some another screen that nobody works.
Yeah, just try. Is that? I can see a shared screen now.
I can see. I see somebody sabot Win99 screen, and that's it. It's not related to doing. Yes. Can we work on this screen?
Make sure.
Oh, I think I stopped sharing my screen. Yeah, but I'm sharing it now.
Anyway, so would you like to work on some screen?
So we have this issue where we can't see the behavior of our spec because we can't scroll up, and it kind of
What's error?
But
Which error are you talking about?
can we? Is there an RSpec option to have it only load like a screen at a time or something?
No, RSpec should be green, everything. When I click in my code, everything green. So just click RSpec and it's green. Nothing option, no option provided. But anyway, we can maybe finish it this session and you have link and I can share after you solution or something after a while. Because session not supposed to be more than certain time, which is about 30 minutes.
An hour.
So, did you record this session and you can then share or something?
Yes, I'm recording it.
Yes.
So after we've finished, you can just go into past events, and then you can get the link from there. Or else I can email it to you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So we finish this session, or you want to continue?
Well, keep going for a bit longer. I think we've got another 15 minutes that I've booked it for. So did you want to do the next part, Tatiana?
But I have already to work on some screen, which is which screen I work. Yes, I can do, but I need this one. I work already, and which part which is supposed to change this file, which located in library and RSpec.
Okay. Well, the next one is get the instructions again.
I think something with error messages.
Yeah. So we defined the constructor, validated the from does not equal to, and then we're on to part 2, which is parsing the XML responses.
So it's fine connection.
So we
this fine connection.
We define a separate class, Oracle of Bacon response, to hold a response from the service. This class exposes the type and data attributes to the caller, as the examples above showed. Nesting one class definition inside another is often done when the nested class is rarely used separately from the enclosing class. In our case, successful response to OOB queries return XML markup, which we will parse using the Nokogiri library. As we saw above, there are 3 response types: graph, spell check, and error, but we'll use the same techniques on all 3. Although Nokogiri is hugely powerful, there are just 2 Nokogiri calls you need to know to parse this simple example. The constructor Nokogiri : XML takes a string, or as is idiomatic Ruby, an open file descriptor or stream descriptor, parses its contents as XML, returns a Nokogiri : XML : document representing the parse tree. The instance method XPath on Nokogiri XML document or node returns a collection of all nodes in that subtree. Matching the given XPath selector, just as CSS selectors identify particular elements in an HTML document. XPath is an amazingly powerful syntax for identifying collections of elements in an XML document. So this is an example of an XPath /foo, matches an element at the root. So hence /error applies to any error response, matches the outermost error element, which remember includes all its child elements. /link applied to a successful response, matches the enclosing link element. /actor applied to a successful response returns a collection of all the actor elements at or below the document's root. So move that aside. So what we want to do is to go to this response class, which is down here, and they've given an example in this method here, the parse response. This is where our code goes. This is their example, the parse error response. So,
but we should print something this after par. We should, your code supposed to be this and else if. So after parse error response, we should provide some code. This one.
Yeah.
Did you see when I type in, because I typed before?
No, I can't see it. Are you typing into my...
No, but if exclamation mark, you're supposed to use XPath. Not equal. Yeah. Maybe I should print this because I in another screen, but I printed it.
Yeah, just type it into my shared window. Jana. So where it's got it.
If exclamation mark.
Yeah. So it's not empty.
Exclamation mark.
Parse error. So then after that you'd have an else if.
Yes.
For the other response types.
Yes. If document XPath, it's supposed to use XPath, and we don't. And we should use error. And just a moment. It's question mark. It's supposed to empty. It's empty. It's not
Yeah,
empty.
yeah, that's
It's
testing it.
storage.
Testing if it's empty.
It's right. It's right. And we just
Yeah.
somebody told me. Okay, just a moment. And
So,
else, and then
so you,
else another.
yeah, it just
Okay.
else it. And then you test for if it's link. So if
Yes.
link is empty.
Else, and just an explanation. Explanation point is if it's not. It's not important to say. Into the command again. Okay. So it will just use error or just empty, it's one kind of error.
Yeah, that's right.
It's kind of another part of error. Empty, it's not error exactly, but it's not supposed to be empty. And then the parse break response.
So you're saying if it's not
It
empty,
is
then you call that method.
Parse not error, but break error.
Yeah. Are you updating your own file? Yeah, because we can't see that.
But yes, you understand that it's like changing and actually provide me. So now I just first graph report and once another one else, and else everything good, everything good. We put the type, just type, and type should be equal. We don't know sometimes, and equal, and we will put column and column. And data is the same that is data the same equal uncount response. We don't know something. Uncount and would be response. Sometimes we don't know what's happened. So it finishes to end. And one condition and general condition. So I finish this. So this is would be parse response. It's all private.
Yeah.
So now, yes, I finished this and it's supposed to be good. I checked before. So now def parse or graph response. You want me or you want to do? I can do an answer by phone. Def parse graph response. You wanna me just type? I can do.
Yeah, just
Def.
can you type it in?
But this is provided or not? It's no, I should do this. It's like all error, yes? Def parse
Yeah.
system. So it's not provided us. No. I don't think that it's provided. So we should do it by themselves. That just moment. Just moment. That actually they give me some option. Graph response. There's graph response. There's graph and type.
Well, the response will be link. Yeah. Type will be graph. Hello? Oh, it looks like Tatjana's dropped out. You still there, David?
Yep, still here.
Well, look, did you want to do this one? Did parse the error response?
Sure.
So the first one.
Mm-hmm.
First one is so you see the link. So just put the else if in there, and we'll do the link response. So you know where we are?
I know where we are, but I wasn't following what you and Tatiana were saying, or at least I wasn't able to follow.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just start down with the parse response method.
And what are we? We're trying to.
So where it's got your code here.
What are we trying to achieve there?
Yeah, just put an else if after that parse error response. And then just the same as the above. Yeah, just the same as the above, but have link instead of error. And then following that, dot empty question mark. And then following that, the method that we're going to use.
Is that the same one, parse error response?
No, that'll be parse link response.
Which isn't defined yet, right?
No, so you need to define that as well.
And the type you said was graph?
Yeah, type would be graph.
And data is
The data, we'll need to get the data from the XML doc using XPart.
Right. So it'll be there.
So yeah, we're looking for the actors.
Okay.
That'll be, want to get all actors wherever they are. So that'll be / actor.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Tatjana.
Yes, I was typing a lot, but it was disconnection. The connection not
no worries.
sufficient.
Yeah, David's just doing the link response. So now you want the text. So that's selected the actor nodes. So now you want the text. So do an open square bracket.
All right.
Before the quote. So after actor. Yeah, and then text, and then round bracket, and then close round bracket, and then close bracket. And then we also want the movies.
Okay. Is that
do an
sorry, what?
yeah, do an or. An or. Yeah, that's it. No, just one.
Okay. Yeah.
And then / movie. For actors. What? Sorry, movie, not movie.
And
And then text.
okay.
Okay, so that's going to return a hash. So we want to hash it.
Mm-hmm.
Need a round bracket to close the X part. Parameters.
Okay.
Yeah. And then so we want to map that hash to an array. They do dot map. And then open round bracket. And then ampersand. Colon text. That should concatenate them all. You'll create an array of the actors and the movies.
Okay.
Okay, and then try running that.
I assume it worked. I don't know.
Yeah, to find out how to scroll when you're in free mode.
Looks good. Yes, no red.
Okay.
Look, we're out of time now. So I'll stop broadcasting. And then you should have a video to submit.